Ever wonder why no matter how much you earn, it still feels like you're broke? It's not just bad luck, it's your habits. In this video, I'll share 7 habits that silently keep people poor, and most importantly, how you can break them starting today. If you're serious about improving your finances, stay with me. This might change how you handle money forever. Living paycheck to paycheck. If your bank account hits zero before the month ends, it's time to pause. This habit keeps you stuck in survival mode. You can't invest, save, or plan ahead when every dollar is already spent. Fix it! Start tracking every rupee or dollar. Even if you save just 10% each month, it builds freedom. Not budgeting at all. Saying I'll just wing it with money is like driving with your eyes closed. A budget doesn't restrict you, it gives you control. You can still have fun, but on purpose. To fix this, you can use a free app or even a simple notebook. Write down what's coming in, what's going out, and where you can cut back. It's really that straightforward. Impulse spending, flash sales, midnight deals, social media ads. You click buy now before even thinking. Then, you regret it later. This habit kills savings and builds clutter, not wealth. Fix it. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Most of the time, you won't even want it anymore. Not investing early. Many people think I'll start investing when I earn more, but by the time they start, they've lost years of growth. Fix it. Start with what you have. Even $10 or 1,000 rupees invested monthly is better than nothing. Use apps or index funds to make it easy. Depending only on one income, if your job ends today, how long can you survive? Having one income source is risky. Wealthy people always have multiple. Fix it. Start a side hustle, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing. Even a few extra dollars a day can change everything. Avoiding financial education. Most schools don't teach money skills, but that doesn't mean you stop learning. Staying financially uneducated keeps you stuck, vulnerable, and broke. Fix it. Read finance books, watch YouTube videos, follow smart creators, and apply what you learn. Trying to look rich instead of being rich. Flex culture is real, but trying to impress others with clothes, gadgets, or luxury things only drains your money. Fix it. Focus on building assets, not appearances. The goal is freedom, not followers. Let's be honest, we all have at least one of these habits, but awareness is the first step to change. Start small, break one habit at a time. Your future self will thank you for every smart decision you make today. If you found value in this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical tips on money and mindset. You're not stuck. You're just one habit away from changing everything.